In this video, I will show you how to fix Fortnite error ESP-DIST-001 on your Nintendo Switch 2. Basically, what you want to do is to go ahead and clear the Fortnite cache on your Nintendo Switch 2. And to do this, basically, from the home of your Nintendo Switch 2, you want to scroll down to where we have the settings icon over here, select it, and then you want to scroll down until you get to the system settings. Select the system settings and then just scroll down continuously until you get to the formatting options at the bottom over here. Select formatting options and then just click on clear cache. Go ahead and close the game and then select your profile. Meanwhile, if you actually have parental controls enabled on your Switch, you actually have to enter your parental controls pin before you can actually clear the cache. But then once you get to this page, just go ahead and click on the reset. Trust me, nothing is actually going to happen to your account or saved data in your Fortnite game. Just go ahead and click on the reset button over here. Give it some few minutes, and once the resetting option is completed, go ahead and click on OK. Now at this point, the final thing you want to do is to just go ahead and restart your Nintendo Switch 2. So come over to the top where we have the power button over here and then just long press it for about 3 minutes. And now you just want to go ahead and click on the power options, then click on restart. Give it some few minutes and your Nintendo Switch 2 is actually going to turn off and turn on by itself. And once it is turned on, what you want to do next is to just go ahead and launch your Fortnite game. Trust me, this time you will no longer have the ESP-DIST-001 error on the Fortnite game. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.